It's 20 years since British scientists discovered a hole in the ozone layer above Antarctica. Now there's evidence that rates of skin cancer are rising. Ozone shields the Earth from the sun's harmful rays, but the protective layer has been damaged by man-made gases known as CFCs. Several times a year, the ozone hole shifts from Antarctica across the southern tip of Latin America. David Schuckman reports from Punta Arenas in Chile, one of the few places on Earth where people live without the protection of the ozone layer.
As the sun rises over the Southern Ocean, there's something missing in the atmosphere. The layer of ozone that filters the most dangerous radiation has a vast hole torn through it. It was British scientists working in Antarctica that first discovered the gap in the ozone layer. Long, hard years of gathering data revealed how man-made gases known as CFCs had done the damage. In this satellite image, the dark areas show where the ozone is missing. The CFC gases have now been banned, a triumph for the key researcher.
We just happened to be in the right place at the right time with the right equipment and the right background and the courage to follow it through.
So what happens when the ozone hole stretches over a city like Punta Arenas in the far south of Chile? Well, here the warning flags go up. Today they're orange, meaning high risk.
El semáforo solar nos indica luz naranja con una radiación ultravioleta pronosticada.
At the local TV station, they prepare the daily ultraviolet forecast. When the ozone hole passes overhead, it is a time of danger. The sunlight here is very bright and very hazardous. It gets through on a particular wavelength that's unusually damaging. I'm wearing sun protection, but after just a few minutes on the street, my face is tingling. For the people who live here, there's a severe risk. Skin cancer. Francisco Figueiredo is one of many victims. He's a radio presenter and knows that the rate of the most severe skin cancer is 3 times higher here than anywhere else in the world.
Antes no sabíamos nada.
Back then, he says, we knew nothing about this. We were totally ignorant. Only recently have we been alerted. But even now, sales of sun cream are never that high. People seem to know the risk, but prefer to do little about it. Just down the road, an automatic UV monitor gathers data hour by hour. It didn't take long to create the ozone hole. Now it looks like we'll have to live with it for another 40 years at least. David Schuckman, BBC News in southern Chile.